Hi everyone, I'm Marissa Leone and I'm an attorney at Calidas Legal AI. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Depositions tool to review transcripts. If you go to our homepage, you can find our Depositions tool under the AI Litigation Solutions column on the left-hand side. You'll be prompted to add a new matter with details about your case and background information as well as parties. To start analyzing your deposition, you can upload background information about your case, including legal briefs and a complaint or even an answer. You can then upload a deposition transcript on the right-hand side. If you click on the Summary and Quotes tab, you'll be able to receive a summary of the deposition, key quotes, as well as context and the implication on your case from the deposition transcript. You'll also be able to review inconsistencies throughout the deposition, including how a witness may have contradicted himself or herself. Under the Find Answers tab, you can ask questions about your deposition transcript, and you'll be receiving an answer with a list of the location where the answer to your question may be found in your deposition transcript. You can also receive a list of questions to use at trial, based on your deposition transcript and some background information. Once your deposition insights have been completed, you'll receive an alert at the very bottom. You'll be able to review strategies, a list of questions, and some suggestions for how to handle your deposition. And at any time, if you want to revisit what you've done on the Depositions tool, you can go to the Command Center on the top left tab, review the deposition that you've uploaded for review, the prep questions that we've generated for you, and the background file that you've uploaded to analyze the depositions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at support@calidasai.com. Best of luck.